Hello. 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 Dila. Kel.
Miko.
Kel. Kel, okay. Nice to meet you.
Welcome in Bali.
Yeah. Suksma?
Ya Mawali.
Suksma. Ganda.
Pasok ka na sa loob.
Hello.
So welcome in Gea Villa.
Ah. Wow. Hey, should we? No?
No.
That's okay, okay. Okay.
First, I put your luggage here, so I'll be a little bit short.
Ooh.
Atin yan lahat.
Shit!
lahat.
Ang sarap! Oh my God!
Yan lahat. Thank you, Lord.
Ang sarap! Holy! Ah! Walang magsi-cellphone!
Hindi siya maganda.
Sobrang
Walang magsi-cellphone! Bili! Bili! Oh, grabe! Ano yung reaction mo? Okay.
We have a three bedrooms. Yeah.
Okay.
We have three bedrooms and one living room. You wanna see the bedroom first?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, little bit short. Yeah.
Dito lang daw muna. Tara. Let's go!
Grabe ba?
Wow! Reaction dapat natin yung mga reaction natin. Yung reaction mo.
Wala akong kailangan ba natin tanggalin yan?
Hindi.
And also we have a kitchen set here.
Okay.
Bagong-bago siya, Ben.
We have a little bit something welcome drink for you.
Oh, thank you. Salamat.
Dito ba tayo? Sinan natin siya.
Sundan natin. Huy, mga baliw.
Next, the bedroom.
Okay. Sorry.
Nagkakagulan tayo parang musingin.
Kim.
And you can go on the
Ah.
Okay.
Wow.
Sobrang ganda doon. Baliktad
Wow.
yung panaginip.
This is... Ah.
So, who's gonna stay here?
First
and
bedroom.
the difference.
Ah, magkasama tayo, Marlon?
Okay.
Yeah, we have.
Wow, may bathtub din. Uy,
Yung yan, may batang to.
Bata pa, may pool na.
Actually, the set for a bed, this is same bed, but the different just the bed top. And also small toilet for the living rooms.
May ilang days tayo
You
pwede
have, you can use this toilet if you
Swing.
don't use
okay.
luggage box, sir.
Okay ko lang.
Malamang. Ano ang reaction mo?
Parang
Huwag na tayo, parang mga CEOs lang. Kaya nga eh. Kahit na-experience ko na.
it's good too.
And also every room have the Wi-Fi code. Wi-Fi code on the.
Pwede tayo mag-hangout dito. Can we step here?
Oo naman.
Yeah,
Is this safe?
enjoy here.
I can enjoy here.
Is this safe here?
For 3 days.
Hanggang 24 tayo dito.
Hanggang 24 tayo.
Bawal tayo sa town dito.
Yeah.
Ah. So,
And then the Wi-Fi code.
ganito yung CR. Ah, okay.
Magbabali tayo. Parang sarap dito.
Ang saya dito, totoo.
I mean, marami
Okay.
pang mga mura nga ito eh.
Okay. Thank you.
And also I want to tell you about the keys.
Okay.
Yeah. So every key have the same key. This I have 3 keys. And in the master room we have 4 keys. This is a different one. I will tell you first. Yeah. The first one this is for the rooms, and the second one this one for the living rooms. And then the big one, this one for the gate. Yeah. And in the main room, this I have another one key, extra key for the first gate. Yes. But I'm not looking for that. But you can make sure you can look for the big gate, this one. Yeah. And
Sorry, how about the main gate? Where is the key?
on the main rooms.
Okay.
Yeah. This I have the 4 keys.
Okay.
But you can close or you cannot close it. This to back with you again, yeah. But for this one, this gate, if you go to somewhere, you must be bring one key for you, yeah. And this for this key.
Kanya patapusin lang muna natin yung tour. Hindi kasi nagpaplano na kami. Tara mag-away tayo dito. Ang sayo!
Tara mag-away tayo dito. Ang ganda ng kaya nila.
Ang sayo!
Can I ask how many feet the swimming pool?
The swimming pool is 120 centimeter.
No, the feet.
2 feet. 2 to 3 feet.
Okay.
Yeah.
4 pala.
Okay.
4 feet to 5 feet. Yeah, 120 centimeters.
Is there any nearby place that we can eat? We can eat.
The food is close by here. This Kumbu village. This close by here. This way.
Okay.
And turn right.
Okay.
So you have the square. You go on. This have a lot of.
Is there any way we can like rent a motorcycle right now or
The motorcycle
is for-
you can contact me. You can contact me on the WhatsApp, yeah.
Okay.
And we'll be call my friend, my partners to bring the motorcycle from here.
Can we rent it now or tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
tomorrow na?
Is it safe to walk around here?
Yes, yes, yes.
I see. Walk around na lang tayo. Magpa-grab na lang. Ay, is there grab food here? Grab food tinanong mo ba?
I'm not sure. I'll
Can we-
check it first, yeah.
The Colombian, can we walk towards there or we need to ride?
Wala, Robby.
You need walking, but
Walk is okay?
Yeah, walk is okay. Just
Okay.
5 minutes or 10
5
minutes.
minutes.
Ah, okay.
Just close by here. Just have.
We just go
But,
straight
my
and then go right.
recommend- yes,
Okay.
yes. My recommend is Titi Batu Boot Club.
Titi Ubud.
Yeah, Titi Batu Boot Club.
Titi
It's
Batu
a
Ubud Club.
Restaurant with
Titi,
gym and then swimming pool.
Like-
yes.
Yes! Uy!
Yes, also.
Uy!
We do gym.
But underpass.
Patin, patin, patin.
You must be, the price is for the underpass. This I'm not sure, but this maybe 300,000 rupiah for the one person for the gym. And also have a sauna, and you also can swim. Include.
Another question. Is there any safe nearby ATM machine?
ATM, there's a lot of ATM machines. So this you can use a BCA, BRE, this
No, nearby?
Nearby.
nearby.
Tomorrow
It's
Like walking distance?
no, not here, but it's on the bench.
Okay. So we can just drive it with motor.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you walking, this maybe
Are we allowed to
20
swim
minutes.
right now or is there no pool as well?
You can swimming right
Okay.
now also, but
Okay.
this is not cold. This is not cold. Yeah, this is still warm.
Still warm.
Yeah.
Still warm. Thank you.
Oh, we're gonna motorcycle tomorrow.
Hindi.
Yeah, tomorrow. You can yeah.
Tuloy-tuloy yun eh.
You can
I'll
tell me on
text
the
you.
WhatsApp.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, yung nakuha ko na, yung
Time of
accent
the
lang na,
I can
napitik.
price
Yung pitik.
also.
Okay.
Maybe if you need something else, you can call me on the WhatsApp.
Can you send the Google Maps of the nearest
Yes,
one?
of
Okay,
course.
thank you. In WhatsApp. Okay, thank
On
you.
the WhatsApp.
Uy, sali mo ako
Muna
dun.
tayo.
Ano mo, ganito tayo. So, settle muna tayo. 5 to 10 minutes.
Mag-order muna ng food.
Hindi, ayaw niyo na pala lakarin.
Sure kayo. Lalakarin natin.
Where can I find the password?
On the road already.
Ah, sige. May grab daw dito. Sabi daw kasi wala eh.
Meron ito.
Hindi, may... Pwede ka umorder pero may kukuha ba ng order? Yun eh.
Ano may kukuha na order?
Siyempre, kapag may open dito, meron magdi-deliver.
Di ba?
Decide na tayo. Sinong magro-room sa baba dito?
Kahit saan ako.
Ito kasi yung pinagkaiban. So, yung baba... Sa atin tayo. Master's bedroom kasi yun eh.
Okay lang. Pare-parehas naman
Kasi
maganda.
alam mo malalaki tsaka maganda.
May bathtub sa baba eh.
Hindi,
Magbabatap ka ba?
Pag gusto niyo makibathtub,
Hindi
baba
mo
na
naman
kayo.
magpapatay.
Oo nga, may pool tayo eh.
Wala tayong harang sa bathtub kaya. Pwede sila umikot doon. Ma-hold up.
wala?
Oo, may kita tayo.
Sino ba mabubuso sa inyo.
Ikaw.
Diyos ko po.
Patingin nga, patingin.
Tara, settle.
Settle na muna. Okay.
I've already sent the
Okay, thank you. Salamat.
restaurant.
Salamat.
So, salamat.
Okay, and just the last one, may I borrow your passport? This micro.
Passport daw.
Passport. Okay. Yeah.
Just one. And this
Can I, is there Wi-Fi here?
Yeah, meron dito. Meron, ay.
Gaya Bila.
yeah,
Okay,
feel.
can you?
Does it
Thank
have
you.
to be my passport or any passport?
No, any
Not
passport.
just one.
Any one of us.
This one.
This name, this
Marlon.
Kaya sa'yo, nasa bag Marlon, alam mo yung sa likod?
Sorry.
Can you teach me a little bit of Indonesian? So,
So we can.
how do you say thank you?
Okay, this is so. Thank you. In Bali,
Yeah.
this will be different. So in Bali we say suksma.
Suksma, yeah, suksma.
Suksma.
In Indonesia,
Suksma.
in bahasa, we
Bahasa.
say terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
But to say welcome, you're welcome. In Bali we say mawali.
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 And bahasa in Indonesia this way will say sama-sama.
Sama-sama.
Yeah.
So in the Philippines, mawali is the one we cook.
No, mawali is the one we lost.
No.
Different dialect.
Dialect.
Okay.
In Philippines,
Okay. Kasi no, it's okay. How do you say hello, good morning, good evening, good night,
so we
good
can treat
afternoon?
them nicely if we
Yeah.
see another.
Okay, to just say it like that is in Bali this a little bit hard for you maybe, but in bahasa I will tell you in bahasa. So in bahasa good morning will say selamat pagi.
Salamat pagi.
Salamat pagi.
In morning this rahajang semang.
Raja masamang.
Rahasa yeah. Moment.
Okay.
Sorry. I just take a picture.
So this will be our room side.
Mm. Gusto niya mag-swimming? CJ, gusto niya mag-swimming?
Because we in Bali have a ceremony, so we make a penjor like this one.
Ah.
This every roads you will be see like this one. This our ceremony. The ceremony is of the galungan.
Marlon,
Yeah.
parang nagsisi ako na sana nagbila na lang rin tayo sa Uluwatu.
Ceremony.
This is until 1 month.
Hindi, ano nga eh,
One
parang okay lang.
1 month for the ceremony. And also we have the different here. Here we have a different ceremony. This is a bigger ceremony on the temple. This every 30 years for one time. Yeah, this now.
So we're very lucky to see
Yeah,
that.
you can see.
Kiss ko
No,
this already-
continuous, already happening. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this galungan is start on
Every what
the-
time? Can I ask every what time?
For the galungan is
ceremony?
every 6 months.
Every 6 months
But
nga.
for the temple is already 30 years.
Is,
No.
is,
I mean the site, not the time.
What?
Like it's 6 p.m. or what time will the ceremony start?
No, this will be.
Marlon, tara, set up na tayo. Kunin ko lang phone.
Ceremony have a different step.
Okay.
Yeah, this will. I cannot
Ay!
tell you what.
Marlon, ilan magrerenta ng, ay, itilat mo naman pala. Motor? Okay. Sabihin na rin natin in advance.
Nasabi ko na.
Sabi mo na, okay. Sinali mo ako na sa WhatsApp.
Hindi pa. Di yung JC number ko lang yun. I-check mo na lang yung WhatsApp ko.
Hindi, pwede ka magsali kahit.
Sige, sasali na lang.
Oo, gusto ko rin maka-epal eh. Pero di ako magchat-chat. Gusto ko lang mabasa. Para kasi ordinary, hindi mo nakikita ko rin.
A moment, please. My history first.
Okay, thank you.
Ano yung phone mo? Kaya pa-connect mo? Eh, meron naman na yung password ah.
Dumarte ako eh.
Saan yung maleta?
Nasaan ka, Marlon? Marlon, nasaan ka?
Sa Bali.
Bali.
Picture mo ko marami dito ah.
Videoan kita. Hindi kita pipicturean.
Gusto ko na picture.
Pag picture.
Ayun, gusto ko.
Sorry.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Suksma.
Ano yung
Suksma. Mawali.
And
Suksma.
also, I have one question for you. For tomorrow, you did a cleaning your villa or not?
Papalinis na daw tayo bukas.
Not yet.
Not yet. Maybe the next day.
Next day.
Next day, okay.
Sorry, oh. Yeah, next day.
Next day nga.
You can tell me about that.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
you
you.
very
How
much.
much? Thank you.
Last, suksma. Last one. Do you have a private chef?
Private.
Dito na ba tayo kukuha?
Chat ko na lang siya kung yung price.
Like, do you know someone who can cook us?
meron included.
We have extra service for you, yeah? I
Yeah.
will send you.
Nasend
Okay.
ko na yun,
Yeah.
hindi
Hindi. Kumbaga parang may available na. Kasi, what if...
Hindi, chat na lang niya sa WhatsApp.
Sige.
Para
Okay na.
makapag-settle na tayo.
Sige. No, it's okay na. It's okay.
We'll just chat you.
We'll just your WhatsApp, yeah.
So,
That is all.
I am ready to tell you. So this all. This one. This are ready with
Hindi, yun yung pinakita eh.
motorcycles, laundries, also for the cooks in here, and also massage. It's already included price.
Yun yung
But the,
sinend kong file na
different,
extra service.
Magpapamassage na
The
pala tayo.
motorcycle is not include the price in here because will be called our partners. So if they are have, we can get a good price for you. But if they are not have the motorcycle, we will like
Either,
yeah.
Okay.
Search
But the
new
minimum, how much is the motorcycle?
Okay, this normally we have two different motorbikes. For one, this is Scoopy. This is a little bit small and NMAX more bigger. The price is for the Scoopy, this 100,000 rupiah for the 1 month, 1 days.
Okay.
And then for the NMAX,
Tangina mo.
150,000 rupiah for 1 days.
Thank you. Like 500 pesos since I think.
Okay.
Okay.
Kalimutan ko na.
Okay.
Any other question?
Tara na. Okay. Thank you. Suksma.
Yes, good night for you, yeah? And also
Suksma.
in Indonesia, when we say, mimpi indah, all have nice dream. Yeah, we always say it like this one. Semoga mimpi indah. I hope you have a nice dream.
Okay. Thank you. Suksma. Uy, nakalak na yan, be. Huwag mo nang silipan. Oo nga.
Muna tayo lahat, tas kita.
Kita daw tayo sa baba.
Mag-ready lang tayo.
Mami!
Ay, ayaw ko muna magbihis. Picture na muna.
Mami! Ayoko, hindi ko alam paano pa picture. Mami! Ang ganda! Villa. No, it's okay. Thank you.
Not in the key for inside, we just turn this.
Okay.
Yeah, but if you go outside, you must be bring the key.
Okay.
From here.
Do we need to lock the front gate all the time or this is fine?
Yes, this is.
Okay, thank you.
So, because maybe tomorrow we have taken the garbage over there
Okay.
inside.
Do we have... Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Good night. Woohoo! Takna natin. Ang saya! Oh, di ba? Saan yung basuran? Magsiselo si mami sa akin nito. Ay, sabihan ko si mami ng mga ano. Tawagan ko muna si mami. Okay, ganda sobra, Shemay.
Ganda, no?
Mamaya na ulit vlog. Bye-bye.